Now that we've entered the formal holiday season, I wanted to take a moment to send my warmest holiday and New Year's wishes to everyone. I pray that this is a fantastic moment for all. I wish the same for everyone else. Plus, as you may already be aware, I believe that many of your concerns will be alleviated if you show even a modicum of interest in or concern about the market float away with you as you enter the year 2025. I think the market is about to experience some of its most dramatic shifts in history, and I want you to know that now is the time to prepare. As we sort of cut sideways and get ready, being patient is the most crucial thing to do right now. It's really vital in this region. Thank you for letting us know that, and please enjoy the channel. For all things and everyone, I go by the name Nick. Anyone seeing this movie for the first time needs sign up for the channel subscription service by the end of the film. Aside from that, why aren't you all in the open Discord right now? Join us, do it, you won't regret it. All we did was improve a number of things. Because of this, I have faith that Discord will be teeming with knowledgeable individuals. Are there any plans that you're excited about? Join us, it's affordable. We can go on to other topics now that we've taken care of that. XRP is steadily making its way up from its recent low of approximately $2.20, so let's talk about it. Around $9.2.5K BTC is also receiving a pleasant little jolt. It appears as though this one is about to undergo a double bottom. It seems like a lot of people were involved in the process of creating the charts. Up till now, we haven't succeeded in bringing it down to the levels seen on the 20th. I will likely give this another more thorough look now that I know this. After the holidays, I expect this market to really explode, and I expect it to continue doing so well into the new year. The good news is that XRP is still tradable in a consolidating sample of sideways consumption. It has been for the past month. Nothing has changed here. To me, it looks like a double bottom. Here is the chart in question. The asking price is reasonable, considering the daily Kindle close price of about $2.20. These days, XRP isn't really a part of my work. The day before today, nevertheless, a handful of trading ranges did increase in activity. There has been a 36% decline in the purchasing and selling range during the past week, which you should be aware of as well. The market is beginning to cool down, which you are already aware of, during the Christmas season, such as the usual. Regarding Binance specifically, though, we did get a sizable substitute. Around the clock, you can transact in commodities valued more than $26.35 billion on the largest market in the world. Binance is well known for its size. There's no problem if you aren't anymore. You are incorrect. If knowing that it's the largest exchange available is all that's important to you, then keep reading. Now we may examine the change scores in detail. We should get on to transactions immediately. Clearly, Binance is not the dominant force in this space. In a typical week, 18.1 million people visit. A lot of people consider this to be a huge deal. From where I sit, it seems to be like right now. One of the most well-known exchanges is Binance. Within the United States, I am cognizant of the fact that it is difficult to get to in similar items. However, the biggest shift is happening in crypto markets outside the US. It is because of XRP that I am bringing this up. Right now, this is all we have. When December rolls around, just an XRP will have surpassed all other altcoins traded on Binance. Plus, the most intriguing aspect of it is that it occurred before to the most significant XRP moves. It has been released to the public. The price of XRP increased to $2.90, and you are well aware of the tremendous enthusiasm surrounding it. They are unaffected by that, though. In my opinion, that is not the maximum price for XRP. When we reach a new all-time high and break through $3, I will likewise be completely confused. This is the reason why the number of people talking about it continues to rise again. I believe XRP will become one of the most precious and most traded cryptocurrency coins for that reason. Also, I think XRP is going to start becoming a major player like Ethereum, which will shock everyone. Because of such, the XRP market is incredibly enthusiastic right now. Since you are aware that XRP has been heavily traded for the past several weeks, stretching back to the beginning of November, let's address the basics first. But XPmarketplace.com is another option for buying and selling XP and XRP ledgers. This type of data is visible. The brightness is too much for me, so let's go to the dark mode. The market value of all tokens on the XRP ledger reached a new high, as can be seen from the records of the token market. Our trades in October had a market cap of almost $300 million. We were about $286 million at the end of November. Crazy amounts of tokens are currently present on the XRP ledger. We still don't have a good idea of what the December traffic will be like. There are over 15,800. I find that absolutely insane. Reading up on the history of these ancient coins is another option. Examine this chart that is updated monthly. Both the weekly and monthly graphs are now higher in the view. This is where we set the record, and I can show you. However, you may begin to discern daily amounts even in December by examining the figures provided below. Still, the DEX figure should hover around $6 million, which, when compared to the overall figure of 19 million, is rather astonishing. When I say this is similar to what we've seen since December, I mean it. More than $30 million was at stake when we last spoke in November or early December. In the end, we reached a total value of over $70 million on the XRP system, which dates back to approximately November 21st. It's maddening. This demonstrates yet again how much focus there is on the XRP system at the moment. We can see that the abundance of low-quality coins on the XRP ledger market is a major factor in the widespread interest in these currencies. Furthermore, I believe this to be true and will probably remain thus. Money has always played a significant role, and I want to emphasize that. However, things are even worse on the XRP platform. It seems to reason that the time it takes for a settle to take place is 10 times faster than that of an idea. It appears that this will continue indefinitely. You can delay things like new tokens and such if you link your wallet. We're going to put it off as well. But now it's merely a pretty heat map. You can check it daily, weekly, or monthly if you like. Beyond that, though, our USD amount, which you are already aware of rising to approximately 2.4 million, is contingent upon passing a test in our USD. However, it did peak at around 3.4 million. I also believe this will go on. True with lines only with regard to holders and acceptors. The raw USD user base on the XRP platform has been expanding rapidly, which is fantastic news. Actually, I did compose an essay addressing the market as a whole, focusing mostly on events occurring during the previous 2 weeks. It's true that I did say that the recent market decline would derail anyone's strategy. The new action stifled new trades, shook out weak hands, and in the end shook out overdue consumers as well. Old coins destined for Bitcoin pairings have now reached critical delivery zones, according to the lows. We are currently preparing for the rotation, the following wave. When this shift begins, it will be the first spark that ignites the previous season's fire, which will grow and consume all in its path. The visible components of this contemporary cycle constitute, in a nutshell, its most crucial components. Prepare yourselves, for this is going to be the largest run on old coins ever. Because some of the greatest changes are on the horizon, if we adopt a cautious outlook, I must admit that even I will likely be astonished by the magnitude of this run. But occasionally the market does even better moves than we anticipate. Because you are already aware that XRP has the potential to surprise everyone, including myself, you already know that I am saying that. Even XRP has my hopes, as you know. Truthfully, I might be taken aback if we turn them down. However, we are only closely monitoring this market. In my opinion, this market is going to have a major awakening soon. Now that we've covered my train of thought, let's talk about a reliable cryptocurrency. He informed me that the price of XRP has returned